The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
Hello, and welcome to On Topic, where we talk about the programs, the issues, the events, and the people shaping the federal judiciary. I'm Jackie Koschuk with U.S. Courts. The federal judiciary has long had a strong commitment to civic education. Community outreach improves the public's understanding of the third branch of government and its essential role in our democracy. An important partner in these efforts is the Federal Bar Association. Its president, Magistrate Judge Michael Newman, is here today to talk about the expanded role the group plans to play in civic education in the coming months. Judge Newman, welcome to On Topic. Describe for us the FBA's plans in the area of civic education.
Well, next year, as Federal Bar Association president, we're going to try to undertake several initiatives. One is the Solace program, which we're going to take national, and that's a program to help those in the legal community with dire needs. The second initiative I have is to undertake a national civics initiative. Working with the Administrative Office of the Courts, we're going to be encouraging judges to do civics with young people. And by that I mean to have judges leave the courthouse, go into schools across the country. That's part one. Part two is have young people come into the courthouses, meet with judges, meet with court staff, assistant U.S. attorneys, and we call those efforts court camps. And then the third effort we're going to focus on is to try to recognize and honor some of the great civics teachers around the country.
What inspired you to take the association in this particular direction?
Well, I'm a big believer in the importance of civics education. As president of the Federal Bar Association, I thought it was my duty to try to impress upon people, young and old, intermediate school students, high school students, everyone else in the population, the importance of the third branch of government and how cases get resolved. And in the case of the federal courts, how cases come to us for resolution.
Judge Newman, why do you think lawyers in the FBA will be interested in these kinds of programs?
We have 18,000 members across the country. I think those lawyers care about justice and they care about young people, and they want to explain to young people the importance of how the federal courts work, how judges go about deciding cases every day, and we're trying to create an opportunity for that linkage to happen.
Do you think a greater understanding of the courts leads young people to be more willing jurors?
The AO has produced You Be the Judge, which is on YouTube, and I encourage every federal judge in the country to watch these videos. It's an incredible opportunity when young people come into a federal courthouse, watch a hearing, and in this case the hearings are scenarios, if you will, where a young person has allegedly committed a crime and is sentenced, and the high school students get to sentence a fellow student. And you can tell when you watch the video how much they've learned about how the process works and how much they've learned about how difficult it is to be a judge, how difficult it can be to be a juror, and how the whole process of deciding cases is built on the concept of fairness and following the law. And I think that's a wonderful lesson for people. It's a great takeaway.
Absolutely. Well, Judge Newman, thank you for talking with us, and we wish you the best of luck at the Federal Bar Association. It's clear that when judges and lawyers join forces in conducting living civics lessons in courtrooms and classrooms, they can have a powerful impact on the constitutional and court literacy of young people, their teachers, and entire communities. I'm Jackie Koschuk with United States Courts, and that's On Topic.